guys, it's Keiki Slime Store. So today I received a package from Amazon with all of the stuff that I ordered. I ordered a few things, so I'm gonna open it up. Whoa. So the first things that I got were these 5 boxes of Daiso clay. So I got the 5 set. And then I got this set of foam beads. I think it came with 14 of them or 12, but then it came with these big ones and then the small ones. I'll show you guys those later. And then here is the instant snow. So this came with 4 gallons of it. Yeah, 4 gallons. And here, these bags are a pretty good size. They're filled up like a lot. So right here we have these pink foam beads, which we ran out of, so we had to order more. And then we have the jumbo pink foam beads. Whoa. And then we have some white foam beads because we definitely need some white foam beads. And then some big jumbo white foam beads. Some rainbow foam beads. These are different. The colors are different, but they're really cute. And then we have these really filled jumbo rainbow foam beads. Whoa. And then it comes with these little things. So some Fimo fruit sizes. So we got the fruit ones, the flower ones, and the candy ones. These are so cute. And then we have some orange foam beads that are filled like a lot. And we have some, looks like some of them spilled a little. So we have some, well, rainbow foam beads. We have some blue jumbo foam beads, some small blue foam beads, and then for the last 2 in here, we have some yellow and purple foam beads. So now moving on to the Daiso clay. I got the white one of the Daiso clay for all of them, as you guys can see. And then the instant snow. There's some instant snow all over the place. So we got 4 packs of these. So it looks like they're pretty filled up, as you guys can see. But there is like a little bit of snow like all over the place. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that I got from Amazon. We always buy stuff from Amazon, honestly. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in next week's video, and bye.